Joe hitting up some triples. He just weighed in at 147 pounds. All right, Joe, show him how it's done. 405 pounds. Let's go, Joe.
How you feeling?
Make boom 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 dum 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 pag may boom dum dum make boom 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 dum 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 pag may boom dum dum.
Walk along the razor's edge, don't look down, just keep your head or you can finish.
Hey, morning guys. So now obviously we see a lot of members using resistance bands, so I just want to talk to you a little bit about from using them. So obviously it engages multiple muscles, obviously simultaneously, and basically your whole entire body can get the workout.
Lock and load all weapons.
Thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe. See you later.